I'm going to be boiling my meat, and I'm boiling my maize here, or what you can call corn. Okay, this is sweet corn. I'm gonna mix with my rice. In my meat, I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. That much salt. It's going to boil for about 15 minutes. Now my meat is boiled, my corn is boiled. Time to fry everything. Fry everything. My meat first. We're gonna be frying these bad girls here. After that, we will mix them with the bad boys and see what kind of gang we can make. When your meat is brown, as it is now, there is no need to fry it any longer, because it's going to lose its taste, okay? At this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start to add my vegetables now. And I will start with my corn. As you can see, time is not on my side. I'm going to mix it with my corn. Let it fry. Mix it with that cute corn. Let it fry, let it fry, let it fry. My maize is hardening, and at this point I'm gonna add all my vegetables in there. It's a mixture of different kind of vegetables, so just put it in there and fry it together, man. Because the vegetables were frozen, you need to let it fry so that the water, all the water in the vegetables can be evaporated, and then you mix it with your rice. At this point, my mixture here is ready to receive the rice. So I'm gonna be frying a little more to make sure that there is no water in it, and then I will add my rice on top. So that you know, my rice was already cooked, and I'm just gonna mix it here. It was already cooked, okay? So you cook your rice separate, and then you come and mix it at this point. Now, this is the time you need to focus now into mixing everything. Make sure your rice is well mixed with everything else. Otherwise, you're just gonna be having a bunch of rice without anything when you eat, okay? Make sure it's well mixed. Now you may wonder where the onions are going to go. So at this point now, as you mix and you see that it started to mix, and you do not have to leave it on fire for a longer time, you can now add your onions, because the goal is not to cook your onions, not to overcook them. You need to feel the crunch, okay, when you are eating your onions. So there is no need to overcook them at this point, because it's just a matter of mixing. Everything is already cooked. We are just going to add our onions as well. So we're gonna add the onions on top. And we're gonna mix everything until we get a very colorful kind of rice. As you can see, I added the onions at last because the goal is to keep the onions crunchy. When you are eating, you feel the crunch of the onions. Mix and mix and mix until when we get the colorful or the colors we want. See, the meat is brown, the corns are yellow, you've got your carrots, you've got your onions, you've got everything in different colors, okay? So it's a matter of having greens mixed with orange, mixed with yellow, white. You've got everything in there, man. How so healthy. It's very, very healthy. And to be honest with you, all this food cost me only $20. Only $20. My rice, my meat, my corn, everything, not more than $20. And as you can see, it's way too much. Okay, you can feed so many people with this. That's our rice. It's as colorful as I wanted it to be. Now, eat and be healthy for almost nothing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. We will see you in a little bit. Bye for now.